So in this thing we are going to discuss the full detailed syllabus about Bachelor of Statistical Data Science. Okay, what it is there, the syllabus. Okay, so let's start with this one. Here we start with sets, relation and function. Okay, what it is there, all the things. Okay, the sets first, it's a very important topic because the question will not for you very easy. The questions will be pretty hard. Okay, so you have to do like that because the questions are very tough. Sets and representation will be there, union, intersection, difference and complement. Okay, difference and complement, this will be there, and their algebraic properties, the power set will be, all those things will be there. There are types of relation and equivalent relation. We know that there are certain concepts like function, you have limits, and you have continuity. Okay, so this topic are there. So essential real valued function like polynomial, rational, trigonometric, logarithmic and exponential functions are there, and there are certain equations which involve polynomial, exponential and logarithmic function. Inverse functions are also there, and transformation of functions are also there, composition of function, graphs of simple functions. So this is all there for the functions. Okay, so these are there. Okay, and then you have limits and continuity. I will explain you everything. Like we know what it is limit. Like limit, it will give something x tends to this, and then there will be a question and you have to find the answer. This is what, and then what do you have? This is the first part for sets and relation and function. Then we have complex number like I equals to a plus, like this you will be having. So this is what you are having for the complex number. Okay, different representations will be there, conjugate will be there, modulus and argument of complex number will be there. There will be power of complex number, there will be roots of unity, quadratic equation and their solution, and there will be fundamental theorems on algebra. Okay, now basics of combinatorics, what it is there. Okay, so here you will have permutation and combination, there will be fundamental principles of counting, there will be binomial theorem and its application, and there will be principle of mathematical induction and their application, it will be there. Okay, now you have sequence and series, AP, GP, HP, one of the most important thing, AP, GP, HP. You have formula, no, that a plus 1 minus rd, like this, and obviously always remember AP and GP, HP is just the opposite of AP. Opposite of AP is HP. Okay, and GP is also there. So this is what we have. Okay, and then we have convergence of infinite series, sum of integer, power of natural number, relationship between arithmetic and geometric means. Now limits, continuity and differentiability of functions is obviously there. Like what is the definition of limit? There also to some extent I have explained you, like what is continuity, what is differentiability, properties of continuous function and differentiable function. There will be chain rule of differentiation, like y equals to cos of sine x. So this is a question. So cos theta, what we know, differentiation of cos theta, sine theta minus sine of sine x, right? Now differentiation of this, because this also it is there, then cos x. So this will be like this, minus sine of sine x, cos x. Then we have differentiation of trigonometric function, inverse trigonometric, logarithmic, exponential, composite, implicit function, Rolle's theorem, mean value theorem and their application, maxima minima will be there. So there are many chapters to this examination. Obviously starting priorly is always important for this examination. Trigonometric function and their inverse, the whole formula. Okay, this also, like all sine, tan, cos, that also you need to study. Everything, this is the main thing, you know, this all sine, tan, cos, this one is most important. So this you need to study. Then you have integral calculus. Okay, what it is there? Integral as limit of sum. There are properties of indefinite integral, fundamental theorem of calculus and its simple application, fundamental integral involving algebraic, trigonometric, exponential and logarithmic function. What is the integration by substitution is also there, like you have to substitute. Then you have differential equation. Differentiation is nothing but the extension of the differentiation is integration. Okay, so this is what there will be: ordinary differential equation, their order and degree, first order linear differential equation, solving differential equation by method of separation of variable and substitution, solution of homogeneous and first order linear differential equation, coordinate geometry, that is also one of the important thing, like Cartesian system and locus of a point, straight line and their intersection, angle between straight line and distance between a point and a straight line, equation of a circle, its radius and center, and conic section, and this one. Okay, this you have. Vector algebra, like you have done matrix, so like that there are something which is called vector algebra. Then you have three-dimensional geometries. There obviously matrices and determinant, the most important chapter, you know, and the most interesting chapter, and very easy. Now everything is matrix. What are the types, what is algebra, what is matrices of order 2 and 3, evaluation, then adjoint, determinant, all those things we have. Okay, and then we have introductory statistics and probability, like what is centrality, what is dispersion, what is mean, median, and mode. Like mean is what, x1 plus x2, like this we are finding out the average. Okay, what is median, n plus nth, like this by n, that one. And mode means the highest one, that one. Okay, and then probability of an event, like fundamental rule of probability calculation, what is probability distribution, binomial distribution, and Bayes theorem. So this is all about the syllabus for the BSDS. Okay, if you start early it will be very much easier, because it will help you to complete the syllabus very quickly. Okay.